Hello everyone, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Today we're going to do 5 exercises to work on your triceps. They need to be strong because usually biceps are strong and we have an imbalance. So let's do that. We're going to start with the first exercise right here on the wall. So your elbows are going to stay right here by your side. Shoulders are down and back. Bring your hands right here and you're going to go down and you're going to push yourself all the way down and up. So if you want to make it harder, bring your feet away from the wall and go. So your elbows always have to stay by your side, abs are tight, and you're moving as a block. Okay? So let's go for 10. Exhale away, inhale down, exhale away. Try to go very slow. Follow your breath. Good. And again for 5, 4, 3, 2, and one more. Good. And release. Are you starting to feel it? Now I'm going to make it a little bit harder. So we're going to do 5 different exercises. You're going to choose the one that fits the best for you. Now, I'm going to bring my legs closer to each other. This arm goes right on the wall. You can cross your arm right here. Bring your shoulder on the wall. Push yourself away. That's a little bit harder. Okay, if you want to make it even harder, step away from the wall. So shoulders are relaxed, and again, you're moving as a block. Abs are tight. Inhale, exhale. That's it. Come on. I'm starting to feel it already. Good. Again, 5, 4, 3, 2, and one more time. Good. And release. We have 2 arms. I'll be back to you. There we go. Shoulders are down and back. This arm is going right on the wall. When you're ready, find a position for your feet and go for it. Let's go. Down and push. So I don't want you to let go your hips. So you really need to be strong as well in your obliques. Hold it there. Now, are you keeping your shoulders down and relaxed? Good. And again, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's it. One more. Good. Okay. These were the 2 first exercises. If the one arm was too hard for you, go back with both arms and try to do 3 sets. Do it a few times every week. Now you're going to grab your mat and I'd like to show you 3 more exercises. Okay, welcome back. I'm going to go on my all fours and I'd like to give you 2 options here. You can put something underneath your knees to protect them. You're going to engage your shoulders. You're going to keep your elbows very close to your body. And again, you're going to move as a block. Down and up. Inhale, exhale up. Okay, there we go. Or you can do right here, more in all fours, down and up. So obviously this one is going to be harder. Make sure your shoulders are staying down the entire time. So choose your option. Let's go for 10. Let's go. Down and push. Exhale. Inhale. Who said we needed weights? See, your body weight is heavy enough. Okay, I lost track. Let's go for 4, 3, 2, last one. Oh, good. And release. And you can rotate your shoulders, shake it out. I'm going to show you something else and I like to do. I do that a lot with my beginners or older adults. When they fall, they need their triceps to help them to come back seated on the mat or on the floor. Okay, so you're going to go right here, down, and I want you to use both arms to push yourself again seated. Down, use both hands, and come back. Super easy. I have another option for you. Remember this arm on the wall? You're going to bring it down on the mat and you're going to push yourself just like that. So just one arm. Okay, so please choose your option. You go both arms or you go one arm. Let's go for 10. Let's go down. Exhale up. Oh, I have a little friend. Hey, Riley. I know I love you too. Good. Inhale, exhale. Good. In 4, 3, in 2. How many arms do we have? There we go. And we're going to switch it up. Same thing here. You're going to choose to do both arms or one arm. So both arms, okay? Push yourself with both. Easier. So make sure you're bringing the shoulder right here on the floor and push yourself with both. If not, you're going right here on the floor. Cross this arm. Let's go down. Choose your option. We're going to go for 10. Let's go. Inhale, exhale to push. Inhale, exhale to push. Good. I feel it. Let's go again. 5, 4, 3, 2, one more. Good. And release. I have now a friend. Righty. If you're interested to do a second set, let's go right away right here on the wall with both arms. So elbows are staying by your side. Do you remember? You can even contract your glutes, shoulders down and back. Let's go down to inhale and push yourself away. You want to make it harder? Step away from the wall. Inhale, exhale. Good. This is such a good beginner or seniors exercise. I do that a lot in my classes. Again, for 4, 3, 2, beautiful. One more. Good. And then we're going to go one arm. So feet are closer to each other. This arm goes right on the wall. Ready? Let's go down and up. So make sure this shoulder is staying down. Look straight ahead for posture. Again, don't be afraid to contract your glutes here. Inhale, exhale to push. That's it. 5, I feel the burn already. 4, 3, 2, how many arms? 2. Let's switch it up. Shoulders down and back, external arm right here on the wall, and go. Good. So you're moving as a block, look straight ahead, and again, contract your glutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, that's it. One more. Nice. And release. Let's go on your all fours. Okay, now you're going to stay there, you little boy. You know you can do all fours just like that. Okay? You choose if you want to do it. I much prefer you don't go too deep and lift the shoulders. So instead, choose your option, go lower or higher, I should say, higher, keeping the shoulders down away from your ears. You want to make it harder? Step, bring your arms a little bit forward. Let's go down and push yourself up. Distraction, down and push yourself up. I'm okay if you bring your bum out, down and up, down and up. Good. So body weight, this is it. What's going on down there? Is it itchy? Let's go for 3, 2. How many, righty? 1. Good. And release. I'm going to go one arm. Same thing. This arm goes right on the mat. Or you can also do both, up and down. Okay? I'm going to go one arm. You're taking a lot of room. Ready? Let's go. Down and push yourself. Good. I'm starting to feel the burn, which is perfect. So squeeze right here, down and up in 4, 3, 2, and last one. Good. Ay. Let's switch it up. We have 2 arms. Okay, you little thing. You're taking way more room. All right, so ready? The extra arm, or you go Both arms, push yourself up. Ready? Go. Down and up. Inhale, exhale up. 5, 4, 3, 2, woo, and one more. Beautiful. And release. Yeah, that's it. That was your 5 exercise to do and work your triceps. Thank you so much for watching this little video, and I'm hoping to see you again very soon.